Hey, how's it going, everyone? It's Papa Cloud. So today I'm gonna give you your monthly watch list. What to buy. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you an idea on what I'm seeing this month for short-term swing. So I'm gonna give you my watch list. But before I do that, I'm sorry I'm uploading like this for now. I don't have no thumbnail or nothing to catch people's attention. Hopefully this information I'm giving you is useful, and you can do your own analysis and research on these stocks that I'm gonna give out. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Just give me another week or two. I don't have a setup either, so other than that, I'm gonna have to upload like this for a little bit. But yeah, so here's your monthly watch list. So right now I'm looking at Roku, Beyond Meat, SOS, Spotify, and Lemonade. So these are the stocks for this month. For big accounts, I will do Shopify, Big C, and Etsy. But Roku, it took a big beating with the March sell-off, and Beyond Meat also. Well, mostly all the stocks that I named, they took a big hit of March because everyone was selling and securing their position. And yeah, so these are the stocks that I will pick up for maybe April 30th calls to May calls, and because these contracts are pretty expensive for these type of stocks. Their premiums are pretty high, but I think it's pretty safe to say that Roku sold off pretty hard, and once it gets that momentum, it continues for like a week. Right now it started this week, so I'm looking at it for next week for a potential even for higher highs. So I'm expecting it at least 400 next week, or maybe in 2 weeks, who knows. But my prediction is 400 price target by end of next week, if not in 2 weeks. My next stock is Beyond Meat. It's way oversold right now. It's at 130. If it breaks below 128, 125, then that's a great buy. But other than that, I'm gonna just enter some tomorrow morning for 430, the $150 strike price for 120 a pop. So I'm thinking about picking up 12 contracts. And other than that, remember, don't copy my plays. This is just, I'm not a financial advisor, remember that. SOS, we have that leap calls that our friend Bird called out from stock gains. And also Spotify, I'm looking for a re-entry. Spotify's still way oversold. It hasn't made its big move yet. Once it hits above 300, it's going to fly again back to maybe 350, 360. So I'm looking at potential play on that again. Lemonade, it's on 91. Yeah, contracts took a hit, so it was up yesterday. Yesterday I should have just took profit, maybe made it a day trade, and re-enter today. And the other three stocks that I haven't mentioned is for bigger accounts. So it's Shopify and Big C, and Etsy. So these are three e-commerce. E-commerce. They basically compete against each other, but Shopify, Shopify, they took a hit also with March. Basically most every stock took a hit, and I'm looking for potential day trade, not swinging, because these premiums do kill. So I don't like holding Shopify contracts. But Big C is another one that also kills premium. I'm just looking for day trades, and Etsy also. So these are killers. So I wouldn't recommend holding these contracts. But if you can find a good entry and then buy it at the low and then swing these, I would just buy maybe June calls, because other than that, if you have the money, buy them. If not, don't do it. Just buy one or two. That's what I would recommend. But yeah, I'll make some plays on it. I'm looking at these stocks right now. So other than that, yeah, I'm trying my best to guide y'all. But these are the monthly stocks that I'm looking at this month. Palantir, RLX, and other leaps that we have. I'm looking at Apple too, but right now earnings as around the corner, so I'm just waiting for those to come out. We're gonna play the earnings run up, so stay tuned for that, for the weekly watch list. So this is your monthly watch list, and I hope you enjoy, guys, and I'll see you guys in a brand new video. Peace out.